In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a slim pop-up wallet from scratch. The mechanism inside can hold up to 8 cards and pops them out in seconds for quick and easy access. With the design I've made, you also have other pockets where you can store 2 more cards or keep some folded cash. I start by choosing the leather. In this video, I'm using 0.8mm thick first grade crazy horse leather. After printing the PDF pattern I shared in the description, remove the excess paper and fix the paper pattern onto the leather using a tape. To make the cutting process easier, trace around the pattern and separate the smaller leather pieces from the leather hide. Using a razor blade, cut the leather along the design lines. Since this pattern doesn't have many curved edges, I recommend making most of the cuts with a ruler for cleaner results. I add decorative lines along the edges to give the design more depth. Most of the finishing steps in this build are completely up to your visual taste and style, so you don't have to do it all the steps. I dye the edges and areas where pieces will overlap with black lead edge paint. And then burnish the edges using Tokonol. I stamp my logo onto the leather using a press machine. I mark the middle area of the front piece because I'll try not to apply glue too close to the section later. To help the leather bond more strongly, I roughen the surface slightly. If you don't have roughing tool, you can carefully do this with a razor without cutting through the leather. Then apply glue to the indicated areas and attach the lower pieces to the main body as shown. Using an edge scissor, I draw straight guide line that align the stitching holes. Then using punch and a mallet, I punch the stitch holes along those lines. The important detail here is to start punching from the point where the bottom and side pieces meet. My punch has a 5mm spacing, but you can use whichever size you prefer. With 0.8mm waxed polyester thread, I stitch the bottom seams using the saddle stitch technique. After stitch, I sand down any glue, squeeze out and clean the edges. Then I bevel the edges using edge beveler. Next, I place double-sided tape on the mechanism and attach it to the leather. After that, I stitch the wallet using cross-stitch method. The most important part of cross-stitching is tightening the threads firmly to create a clean and secure stitch. And it's all done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your finished results with me.